Madison, you're going to have to wait.
This is what the cats got.
Madison's 5. Garrett's 7. This is Christmas 2002.
Quit the cats.
Molly busted her head last night and hadn't slept good, so she's still asleep. Yeah, see, Madison, you wait or you won't get any presents.
Yeah.
Daddy's got to get the camera. They're on the thing.
Here's Santa Claus.
This is Molly's pal.
There's 5.
It's Madison's pal. That's Garrett.
Look.
No, way. No way. You got a Barbie skateboard.
Hold it up.
All gone. Let me open up mine next.
Look at that. No, okay.
Hold a button in.
Yeah, you can open it.
Okay, that's
I want this one.
Let's see what Garrett
some
got.
of that smaller stuff, I think, looks
Shane, you can't walk in front of me. Let me see.
Ooh.
What'd you get?
Let's see if I get Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
I
like. No.
No, bigger present last.
like this.
Let's see what that is.
Sure, not even think about you on that.
Wow! Santa Claus started out coming out.
What's that?
Miranda.
Let me see. Wait, sugar. Wow. Show it to your daddy.
Ooh.
Where can I put this at?
Take a picture of her.
I don't color well,
Santa, Mom.
but I'll try.
What's this?
I don't know, sugar. She opened some of your bigger presents.
This is gonna be great.
Wait, Maddie.
The Harry Potter and the Sorcerer and stuff.
Oh,
Now
wow.
can I open
Yeah, go.
for PlayStation here? Whoa, that's what I wanted! Daddy.
What is that?
Is this the PlayStation 2? Or just plain PlayStation?
Is that Shrinky Dinks?
Hey, take a picture of me. You gotta fix.
I'm not taking a picture of every present y'all open, guys.
Alright, go, Garrett. Get a bigger one.
Daddy, remember we gotta fix my own PlayStation.
Okay, well, get a bigger one, Garrett, and open.
How about this one?
Okay. Wait, Maddie. What is that?
I don't know. A DVD player.
You got a DVD player.
DVD player?
Wow.
You're kidding me.
That's what it says. DVD. That was my MP3 picture CD.
Alright, Maddie.
What do you think about
See
that?
what you got.
That's cool, man. I like it. No way! SpongeBob blanket!
Wow.
Molly got a lot of presents. She's been a good girl this year.
Alright, Garrett, let's see what else you
Let's
got.
see if Santa ate his milk.
Your presents. Hold on.
This looks like the TV.
Wait, Maddie. I'm trying to get some of your brother's stuff. He just takes forever. What's that? What is it? Oh, is it a diary, a spell book or
A
something?
diary.
Oh. Alright, go, Maddie.
I really like it. Santa Claus just read my mind. Like it was a diary.
What's that?
I'll read it. A crazy
Candy.
Let me see it. Let me see what it says. Alright, Garrett. Let's
see what you get, Daddy. Ooh. What is it?
United States.
Puzzle of the United States and the Capitals.
Nice.
You always talking about other states and stuff. I figure you got to know everything that.
This is real nice.
Go, Maddie.
Every time I want to know a state from my school, I could just look on here. You're nice. Found all this stuff.
What's that?
A rat.
Hmm. What's her name?
Madison.
Take a picture of her with her Madison doll, dude.
My turn.
Maybe that DVD player so I can see.
What's in here? I don't hear nothing.
Well, open it up.
Other side.
Wait, Maddie.
Ooh, SpongeBob slippers. Ooh. I want to put them on. Can you open?
Put 'em on.
What is it? Scoot back, I can't see.
See?
Yeah. Smatter or something.
Daddy, open this. Open it.
No,
What you got, man?
Please, Daddy.
Hmm?
I'm smattered.
Move, I'm watching Garrett. Baby.
Santa knows what I want. Oh, no. Let's see if
What'd you
Santa can
get,
try.
Maddie? Oh, wow.
Magic 8-ball.
We
Come
got
here, Maddie.
one.
Garrett. Garrett, let's go now. We got presents to open, sugar.
Oh.
Well, do you not want to open none of them?
Yes.
This is Christmas morning. We ain't in it during time rush. Hurry, hurry.
No, I'm not, but Lordy.
It ain't all about you sometimes, baby. That's all I'm telling you.
Walkie talkies. Dang, it's my turn. How many miles?
At least 1 or 2.
Well, thank you.
From here, Santa's going north to visit I wish I could do that in many places in Santa's. For no track Santa, I'm heading out for Beverly Allen, wishing everyone a wonderful
Here's Santa.
Let's see what you got, sugar.
My turn. Molly's away. Mommy, what does it look like when you take the Band-Aid off?
We sure ain't gonna look at it right now.
Mommy, you want to separate it from teeth?
Let me see. Oh, my goodness.
It's a robe.
And what else? The gown fell.
Maddie, say
There's a
check
gown
meal.
with it.
Maddie.
Molly, Garrett, she doesn't want to. But hold your robe up, sugar. There's a gown in it. See, turn it around. In the front.
Look at
Oh,
the bottom.
no.
The bottom.
Let me see.
My turn.
Oh my Lord, look at that.
My
The
turn.
princess.
Go ahead, man.
Put it in your box, back in your box.
What is this? Oh, spy equipment. Yes. Daddy, if we don't get all this spy equipment, except that spy equipment, that's for girls. I need that, and that, and that. I could try it out on
Let me
anybody.
see what you got in that backpack.
Daddy, you're not gonna tell me this, but Daddy's story's gonna like it. That is nice.
Oh my goodness.
Look, Bubs.
That is nice. All I got is nice. Mine's a new TV. A new TV.
Are you video camera?
Yeah.
What do you got, Maddie?
A new TV.
A big
me see.
TV. Oh,
Garrett, that TV's bigger than the one Mom and Dad have in their bedroom.
Really? What about Madison's?
No, Matt. Yes, that's the same TV.
I want to see what's in here. Popcorn. Oh, dang, dang.
she's got some problem.
But I don't want them.
Okay.
Daddy can have my
Things are good. Somebody do it.
Tic Tac. Give me my Tic Tacs. Reaper.
What's that? Body glitter. Oh, wow.
I want to get some gum.
I think you start to see who's like who.
Salt.
Man, Miranda get Chan. Aren't you?
What's this?
Mouthwash.
That's buck juice.
Mouthwash.
One piece,
That's
Madison.
that's funky buck juice.
Okay. Because I want to show you bubble. Gum. Tic Tacs.
This baby hurt her head last night. She been throwing up.
Some more bubble gum.
One piece. One piece.
What's this?
Balloon blow up things.
Like
Ooh.
on TV.
5-pack. Now that's a treat. Some taffy nerds.
Maddie, you can't get that on the carpet, darling.
Is it Molly?
Daddy, they need batteries.
What is that?
Hey! It's
Come here, let me see.
See
Let me
that head.
take it. Come here, let me see it.
Let mom see it.
Come here, let's take the tape off of her. Here, hold her.
Do.
All right, pick her. Move, Maddie, move. Pick her up, sugar. Let me see her. Smile, move, Garrett. Smile, Molly, smile. Darn, you already took all these pictures.
Molly, open this. It could be a backpack. Here. Could be a backpack.
Move, Garrett, Maddie. Move her.
It's Gigi Dora. Gigi Dora, she's. Here, let Bubba. Ooh! Look at these cute Dora shoes. Dora the Explorer! Yeah! She loves Dora. That's a D. Daddy, look what Molly got. Look what she got. This is Dora.
It's a don't get on that.
What, Molly?
Ooh.
You put that in the tub. Let me see. Put that Barney in the tub, Ma. Open it.
It's a soft one. I can start that out.
Move, Maddie. Move your head.
They're closed. Daddy, can you help me with my fridge? After you're done with my thing.
Who is that, Molly?
Because I already
That's Tigger.
left my own fridge and everything.
Okay. She's scared of the Tigger.
Maddie, you can have it.
Where's the other camera, sugar? That one's out of film. Move, Garrett. Help her open it and move.
A Cabbage Patch Baby.
Look, Molly.
Molly.
Move, Garrett. She can't enjoy it quick.
She's like. When I gave her a piece of cake, she was like, "Is that my Christmas present?" Look at Molly's face.
Let me see, Molly. Who's that?
Here, Molly.
Who?
Barney.
Barney. Yeah, let me see Barney.
Hey, come here.
Yeah.
Go.
Open it.
I never knew Molly was a royal queen. She is so funny when she does the thing. Daddy said, why don't you kiss him for Christmas for once? He said, can you do it on my, can I screw your toes because you look so long? Now!
Well, let her look at it. Look, Molly's the baby doll stroller. Oh, thank you. Hey, Pearly D. Say, last night I had to go to emergency room. I had pneumonia and fever, and I was dehydrated. I had to get fluids and antibiotics, and I feel so much better now. Mad Dog, show me what you got. What you playing with? What are you playing with? What's that? What? Your beautiful mermaid? Let me see her. Oh, she's pretty. Sing I Do for me. Yeah. Sing I Do. Maddie, sing I Do. Yeah. Come here and show Mama what you got. What's that? Is that Garrett's?